when we have no time to stand instead? What is the use of all this glory when we have no time to bask in it? A happy day to each one of you. Today, I'm here to speak about someone we can all relate to. Anaya. Anaya was not just ambitious, but was someone who wouldn't rest until she got exactly what she wanted. She was an ideal child in every sense, at least in the eyes of her parents. Do you know who was always the class topper? Anaya. And who was the most well-behaved student? Anaya. And who always brought home the all-rounder trophy? No points for guessing? Anaya. Anaya, after completing her engineering in one of the topmost colleges, she landed a job as a software engineer in one of the topmost IT companies in Bangalore. Her work ethic was unmatched. She worked more than 70 hours a week, even before Narayana Murthy spoke about it. Her days were blur of meetings, codings, and a cup of coffee just to keep her going. Her days were so mechanical that it felt like there was no room for anything else. Wake up with an alarm, rush to the office by 7 a.m., attend endless meetings, come back home and collapse on the bed. Boring, right? But for Anaya, work was everything. One day something unexpected happened. On her way home, as she was checking a task on her phone ran out of battery and she forgot to bring her power bank, which was unusual for her. For the first time in ages, she had nothing to distract her and she had to gaze out of the window. She saw a grandfather and a little girl sitting on a park bench, laughing and enjoying each other's company. She saw a group of friends celebrating a boy's birthday, smearing cake on each other's faces and playing around. Beautiful and joyful moments. Anaya was taken aback. She hadn't realized when was the last time did she laugh freely. When was the last time did she do anything else other than work? That night she couldn't shake off her thoughts and she decided to do something which she hadn't done through years. Going out without her phone. The very next weekend, she went on the park bench and she sat on the bench. And she could feel the cool breeze on her skin and the warmth of the sun. And after so many years, she could finally feel herself. That simple act in spending time in nature, she realized that there is life beyond work. Life where she could simply be herself without any expectations. So from that day on, Anaya made it a point to spend at least 1 hour on herself and do something what she loves. Just like reading a book or talking with friends or just walking around the park. So here's my suggestion to all of you. Spend some time on yourself. Do something what you love and stop obsessing over work. Yes, being ambitious is important. Chasing your dreams and hard working is also important. But can we do that without losing ourselves in the process? Can we?
Yes.
Life is not just about checking tasks on your phone. It's all about cherishing your moments and enjoying your life. And Nara realized it at a really young age and now she's living a successful, balanced life. But how balanced is your life? Take a moment to reflect on that. Ask yourself, are you so caught up in the dream that you forgot to live, to laugh, to connect with people? So take a break. It's not just needed, it's essential. Thank you.